Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're out here at Vickery Creek within the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area. This is one of the best places to hike in Atlanta, Georgia, so let's keep moving. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, as I try to release weekly videos every single Sunday. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you put a comment down below on your favorite place to hike in Atlanta, as I'd love to hear from you. Let's keep moving. Okay, so we're on the south side of Vickery Creek. We're gonna make our way up and do a huge loop here today. It's very nice little terrain, but as you can see, it goes straight up from here. I don't know if you can see with the GoPro, that looks like a pileated woodpecker up there. It's a huge woodpecker going at it. Imagine if that was your life. Knocking your head against wood all day long. Knock, 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 knock. So once you get past that first initial incline from the south side of Vickery Creek, it pretty much just levels out. And it's a really enjoyable hike. I am using my trekking pole, yet my knee is still injured, so I gotta take it easy even on these shorter hikes. But either way, this is a nice option to check out. Again, with a slight incline in the front, it's pretty much relatively easy terrain. Let's keep moving. Okay, so we're at VC9, or Vickery Creek 9. We're gonna take a right here and then a left, and then make our way down to this area here. Let's keep moving. Watch your step. A little slippery out today, lots of mud. All right, at this point, you're gonna take a right. All right, so it is super muddy. Super muddy. Oh my gosh. So as you can see, the terrain up down to this area is a little sketchy, so make sure you have the right footwear, because it is definitely slippery when wet. Okay, so we're at VC19. This is the end of the road per se, so we're gonna have to backtrack a little bit and then make our way back along this huge loop, as you see here, back to the trailhead. Let's keep moving. So I want to give a shout out to As the Crow Flies Hiking, as well as Senior Hiker 77. In the spring, we're going to be hiking the PMT, or the Pine Mountain Trail. Very excited to get out there with those two. Look forward to seeing you out there. Let's keep moving. And look at all that mud. We're just tromping around in the mud. So as you can see, this is the creek that was leading up to that dam down there. But again, the path less traveled, extremely muddy. Haven't seen hardly anyone out here. Let's keep moving. Gives you the feel like you're in the mountains, but you're not. All right, so we're coming up on another marker here. It's fun. All right, so we're at VC 25. We're gonna go out down to VC 27 and then take a right. All right, so we are making our way along the creek. In just a few feet, I think we're gonna be coming up on a steel bridge. We've been in this area before. We did it the opposite way, so it's always awesome to revisit places and go the opposite way, because it gives you a different perspective. So at V26, we're going to continue on this way to V23, and then continue on along the outside loop here, as you see, back to the main parking lot. Let's keep moving. So we've been going for quite a bit here. As you can see, the terrain is just different in so many different areas in terms of inclines. And terrain has been very muddy, so keep that in mind. You'll be driving a nice car here, so your feet are gonna be dirty. So you probably want to bring a change of shoes if you decide to do this trail, especially after any type of rain or snow. But overall, I would say this is one of the best places to hike in Atlanta. Let's keep moving. So again, you would never guess you're in the middle of the city by the way this looks. With all the trees, all these hardwoods and such, it's an incredible place to check out. So as long as you don't mind the noise of the city in the background, because there is a lot of road noise, you would not be able to tell that you were in the city based on this terrain, but in some areas, the road noise is pretty loud, but that's to be expected when you're in the city. All right, so we're at VC7, we're gonna continue down to VC6 and then cut over. Again, continue along the path. Definitely worth the effort to do the outer loop here at Vickery Creek, because there are some stellar areas just with immense beauty. Oh man, this is just awesome. Look at this. If we went straight, it's gonna take you to VC5, so we need to take a right here to VC4. I mean, just look how awesome and open this area is. It's a great walk in the woods. Could not ask for more. Now, if you have not been here before, it is $5 to park, or you can have the Chattahoochee annual pass, which you can pick up for $40. But what I recommend is getting the America the Beautiful annual pass for $80, which allows you access to any recreation area within the Chattahoochee River National Recreation Area system, but also all the national parks, as well as parking passes for the U.S. Forest Service. Let's keep moving. All right, so we're making our way back into the trailhead, as you can see down there. A few more steps to go.